In today's video, we're diving into the subtle, powerful actions that shift the dynamic in your favor, turning the tables so that 99.9% of women feel the urge to chase you. This isn't about tricks or games. It's about understanding the psychology and the behavior that naturally draws attention. If you've ever wanted to be the kind of man women find irresistible, keep watching, because these insights are pure game changers. Let's jump in. It's surprisingly easy to attract women without much effort. If you search for how to make a girl like you, you'll find people saying you need a muscular body, others claiming you need money, and some advising you to master seduction techniques. However, the truth is most people who enter healthy relationships and attract women don't possess these things. That's because drawing women to you is much simpler than you imagine. All you need to do is forget these superficial tips and return to the fundamentals of attraction. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to make any woman, even married ones, feel attracted to and desire you. But first, have you ever paused to think about what truly makes a woman attracted to a man? Is there something deeper than looks, money, or status? The answer may surprise you, as today I'm going to unveil the secrets that very few men are aware of. Stay with me until the end. While the first tips will make any woman fool for you, the final one will be a game changer. This last secret will make even married women unable to resist you. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Without further delay, let's begin. 1. Confidence and charisma. Confidence and charisma. Confidence is undeniably one of the cornerstones of attraction. Picture yourself entering a room and immediately recognizing who the most confident person is. That magnetic presence tends to draw everyone's attention, especially women. Developing a confident demeanor isn't just about your physical stance. It's also about how you feel inside. When you have faith in yourself, it's reflected in your words and actions. Charisma, on the other hand, is an art that can be developed. A charismatic man connects with people in a unique way. He doesn't merely talk, he listens intently, asks engaging questions, and shows genuine interest in the conversation. This type of interaction makes the other person feel appreciated, which is a powerful form of attraction. A confident presence can be displayed through simple gestures like maintaining good posture, using open body language, and offering a sincere smile. Additionally, remember that body language is crucial. Often what you don't say can be just as impactful as what you do say. A confident presence signals security and emotional stability, both of which are extremely appealing to women too. Active listening. More and speaking less is another key factor. It's rare to find men who genuinely listen. Women often feel that men are merely waiting for their turn to speak. By actively listening, you demonstrate that you care about what she's saying and that you value her opinions. This creates a sense of trust and makes her feel important. Listen carefully. Moreover, when you listen carefully, you learn more about her, giving you a significant advantage. If she shares details about her life, you can later ask her to elaborate on something she meant, making her feel comfortable and understood. This shows that you are genuinely interested and not just waiting to speak. This type of attentive engagement fosters connection and intimacy because it proves that you value her experiences. Asking thoughtful questions about what she's shared helps deepen the conversation, strengthening the emotional bond. This level of understanding is incredibly attractive to women, and as they naturally gravitate toward men who genuinely care about who they are. Before we continue, an important notice: have you ever thought about sending a single magnetic text message that creates an overwhelming desire in a woman to be with you? A sentence so powerful that it stirs up intense emotions within her. You might be wondering what kind of message this could be. The secret messages into a woman's mind, igniting her emotional side and causing her to think about you constantly, even if she's in a relationship or sees you as just a friend. Be careful. If you send this message, she could quickly become excited and desperate to see you. If you don't Want a woman to fall head over heels for. You avoid using this text. You can download these secret messages by clicking the link below. 3. Effective communication. Effective communication, the way you communicate with a woman, is crucial in building attraction and deepening the relationship. It's not just about being well spoken, it's about being clear, assertive, and respectful in how you express yourself. Effective communication also involves listening and responding thoughtfully. When a man can clearly express his thoughts while understanding a woman's emotions and needs, he forms a more meaningful bond. So this type of communication prevents misunderstandings, resolves conflict more easily, and makes her feel valued. Unheard women are attracted to men who can balance talking and listening, men who can express their desires and feelings without being manipulative or overly dominant. Having open and honest conversations doesn't just draw women in, it also lays the groundwork for a lasting, strong relationship. For show ambition without arrogance. Women are naturally drawn to men with direction and purpose. Having clear goals and dreams shows that you have a life outside of the relationship and are continuously working on your personal growth. This gives off an air of stability, confidence, and security, all traits that many women look for in a partner. However, the key is to balance ambition with humility. It's important to share your goals, but boasting too much about your accomplishments can come across as arrogance, which can be off putting. True ambition isn't about showing off, it's about being dedicated to something genuinely matters to you. So when a man is goal-driven, he also demonstrates responsibility and dedication. But remember, ambition isn't limited to professional life. Women are also attracted to men who focus on personal growth, family, spirituality, or hobbies. Smart humor. 5. Smart humor. A man who can make a woman laugh instantly becomes more attractive. Humor lightens the mood and fosters a sense of connection. The type of humor that works best isn't forced or over the top, it's subtle, well-timed, and natural. When you can make a woman genuinely smile, you create an atmosphere of comfort and trust, as laughter is linked to emotional bonding. Being funny in the right way signals that you're someone who sees life optimistically and can handle situations with a sense of ease. This is extremely appealing because it makes women feel relaxed around you. To wrap up, now imagine being able to send a series of messages that create an undeniable chemistry between you and a woman, making her unable to resist you with just your phone. You can have beautiful women eager to spend time with you tonight. These messages turn ordinary conversations into moments of deep connection and desire, and there you have it, the keys to becoming the kind of man who doesn't just attract but captivates. Remember, it's not about trying too hard or playing games, it's about mastering your mindset, confidence, and actions in a way that naturally draws people in. When you apply these principles, you'll notice women are more engaged, more intrigued, and yes, more likely to pursue you. So take these insights, put them into practice, and watch the difference they make. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There's so much more to come.